Welcome to this sacred space where your mind meets peace and your breath becomes your guide. Whether you're walking in the forest, sitting by a window, or lying in stillness, this time is for you. Let us inhale and begin. We start not with action, but with awareness. Just as the first notes of a song resonate before the melody unfolds, we too prepare ourselves for this inward journey. Release any tension you might be holding, acknowledging that this moment of calm is a gift you give to yourself. The world around you still turns, still dances to the tune of eternity, but something within you has changed. And if my words have resonated with your soul, don't hesitate to show your support. Along the way, we all discover how each step we take and each breath we breathe holds the potential to transform our lives. Yet deep within our souls, there's a longing for slowness, a yearning to savor each moment. Remember the child within you who found joy in the smallest things, who listened intently to the wind rustling through leaves, or watched with wonder as raindrops danced on the ground. Instead of connecting with the world around us, we become disconnected, rushing through experiences without truly embracing them. It's in the quiet moments that we discover our true selves. It's a tangible link to our inner world, a bridge between the external environment and our internal landscape. Ancient monks observed that a single deep breath can reveal the condition of one's soul, offering a glimpse into the depths of our being. When we inhale deeply, we bring oxygen and vitality into our lungs and throughout our body. This process not only strengthens our physical health, but also clears away mental clutter, making space for new ideas and perspectives to emerge. Each exhale carries with it the release of tension, stress, and old patterns that no longer serve us. Through this cyclic process of inhalation and exhalation, we continuously renew ourselves, allowing creativity and inspiration to flow freely. Inhale deeply as you take each step forward and exhale as you bring your foot down. This simple act of matching breath with movement creates a sense of rhythm and flow, anchoring you to the present moment. This connection with the earth brings a sense of stability and tranquility, reminding you of the unwavering support that surrounds you. Even walking from your home to a grocery store can become a sacred journey. Integrating this practice into everyday activities transforms ordinary tasks into opportunities for mindfulness and growth. By cultivating a deep connection with our breath, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. When we take deep breaths, we expand our awareness beyond the confines of our limited selves and tap into the boundless field of potentiality that surrounds us. In those moments of expanded consciousness, we experience a profound sense of connection and oneness with the universe. However, the truth is that stillness is where the magic happens. Their experiences serve as powerful reminders of the transformative potential that lies within these quiet moments. Our mind needs space to work, to connect the dots and find solutions. When we quiet the external noise, we create space for the internal dialogue to emerge. In this silence, we can truly hear what our hearts have been trying to tell us all along. It's about quieting the chatter of our mind and tuning into the whispers of our soul. It's as if the silence itself helps us connect the dots, bringing clarity and insight to our thoughts. It's in these whispers that we find the answers we seek, the guidance we need, and the strength we desire, and the whispers of dreams waiting to be nurtured. Now we come full circle, embracing the profound impact stillness has on our awakening. Start your day with early morning breath work to center yourself before the world awakens. Walk slowly, breathe deeply, respond with peace, and remember, you are never behind. You're right where your breath is. When we breathe deeply, we create space inside, a spaciousness that makes room for love, kindness, and empathy to flourish. Take mindful walks in nature without your phone, allowing yourself to disconnect and immerse in the tranquility of this. Create sacred pauses and conversations, giving yourself and others the space to be fully present. You are part of a vast web of existence, interconnected with all living beings. Your breath, a silent symphony, resonates with the breaths of countless others, uniting you in the rhythm of life. Journal from a place of stillness, letting your pen dance across the page as you express your thoughts and emotions. Similarly, our soul needs moments of stillness to heal, to reflect, and to guide us on our life's journey. It's in the quiet moments that our true power lies dormant, waiting to be tapped into. It becomes our spiritual compass, guiding us toward greater clarity, focus, and emotional balance. This practice, born from the traditions of Zen and Theravada Buddhism, offers a path to inner peace and enlightenment through mindful movement and synchronized breath. As you do so, repeat silently to yourself, I am here, I am safe, I am alive, I am enough. With each step, let these words sink into your being, anchoring you to the present moment and affirming your worthiness of love and belonging. This shift in perspective empowers us to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. We become less reactive, less impulsive, and more intentional in our actions. It could be in a quiet park, a tranquil garden, or even the solace of your own home. As you begin your walk, set an intention to be fully present in each step, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. This helps you maintain a gentle focus, preventing your mind from wandering too far into the distance or dwelling on past experiences. Pause for a breath. breathe out, and let this moment touch your heart. If you feel inspired to share this journey, hit the subscribe button and share this video with others. Together, let's create a ripple of stillness in this noisy world. Our deepest desires, our hidden wounds, and our untapped potential. Stillness reveals what motion conceals, allowing us to see the world and ourselves with clarity and depth. This hurried existence leaves us burned out, anxious and craving genuine connection. When we walk slowly, we reclaim the lost art of being present. In a world filled with distractions, our attention is constantly pulled in multiple directions, leaving us fragmented and scattered. But when we turn our gaze inward, anchoring it on our breath, we find a sense of stability and grounding. This anchor allows us to navigate the storms of life with grace and resilience, ensuring that we remain centered and focused on our path. We turn our attention to the beauty that surrounds us and the stillness within. This practice allows us to connect with ourselves, with nature, and with the world in a profound and meaningful way. Reconnect with that innocent awe and let it guide you. As you walk slowly, allow your senses to awaken. Feel the sun's warmth on your skin, the gentle breeze on your face, and the soft earth beneath your feet. Listen to the birds singing their melodies and the trees whispering ancient secrets. Embrace the beauty that surrounds you and let it rejuvenate your spirit. Every like and comment is a note in the symphony of our shared journey. We begin to notice the delicate balance of nature and the intricate patterns that connect us to all living beings. This practice is not just a leisurely stroll, but a conscious choice to rebel against the frantic pace of modern life. It's a statement that you value quality over quantity, presence over mere existence. In a world that glorifies busyness, walking slowly becomes an act of defiance, a reminder that life is meant to be savored, not rushed. You have walked a little further on your own path of enlightenment. Let the peace of this present moment radiate outwards, touching those around you and extending to all living beings. In this shared stillness, you're part of a grand tapestry, connected to all life in an intricate web of existence. Here, in the sanctuary of stillness, you have the opportunity to reconnect with your true essence, to remember who you are beyond the roles and labels that define you in the world. You are a being of pure consciousness, a radiant light that shines eternally. Notice the rhythm of each inhale and exhale, the gentle rise and fall that mirrors the eternal dance of life. In this breath, there's a story whispered, a tale as old as time itself. With each inhalation, you draw in the essence of life, infusing your being with vitality and clarity. And with every exhalation, release the weight of the world, letting go of what no longer serves your journey. This breath is your compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of life, reminding you that amidst the chaos, there's a constant, a steady beat that echoes the harmony of the universe. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and let your awareness drift to the sensations that color your present moment. The weight of your body upon the ground beneath you, the gentle caress of the air on your skin, the subtle play of light and shadow around you. These are the anchors of your being here and now. Grounded in these earthly wonders, you find a stillness that resonates within. This is your sanctuary, a space untouched by the relentless march of time. Now bring your attention to your breath, that silent symphony which plays ceaselessly within you. As you continue to bask in this moment of stillness, allow your body to relax. Now gently bring your awareness back to your As you do so, notice how this experience of stillness has shifted your perspective. If you've been with me until now, take a moment to breathe in the silence, to feel its profound embrace. In this second act, we'll explore a truth often overlooked in our fast-paced world. That stillness is not merely the absence of movement, but a profound gateway to awakening. Walking slowly is a forgotten art. The world applauds swiftness, rewarding those who move quickly and achieve rapidly. When we walk slowly, we become attuned to the subtle rhythms of life. When we lose ourselves in the relentless pursuit of speed, we forfeit the precious gift of being present. But why should we heed these whispers? Why should we choose slowness over speed, presence over absence? The answer lies in the transformative power of stillness. The breath is our constant companion, always with us, reflecting the ebb and flow of our emotions and thoughts. Just as a ship needs an anchor to stay steady in turbulent waters, we too need an anchor for our minds. Moreover, our breath acts as a catalyst for healing and transformation. Our breath also enhances our spiritual receptivity, opening us up to the mysteries of life and the interconnectedness of all things. Now, let us embark on a journey that will merge the ancient practice of walking meditation with the transformative power of deep breathing. Begin by finding a peaceful environment where you can walk at your own pace. Now, let's synchronize your steps with your breath. As you continue your walk, keep your eyes soft, gazing at the ground or at a point just beyond your feet. Feel the earth supporting you with each step, grounding you to the natural world. Make this practice a part of your daily routine, whether it's in the midst of a busy day or during a quiet stroll. By embracing this mindful walking meditation, you open yourself to the transformative power of stillness, allowing it to guide you toward a deeper sense of peace, clarity, and connection with the world around you. In a world that values speed and productivity, stillness can often be seen as unproductive or wasted time. Imagine trying to solve a complex problem while in a state of constant motion. When we stop reacting, we begin to respond with awareness. True stillness is not about stopping the world. It's about calming the noise within. Stories of monks and mystics who have spent years in solitude and stillness come to life. If you've resonated with my words and found solace or insight in my message, take a moment to breathe in the silence. Silence is not empty, it's full of answers. Have you ever noticed that your most brilliant ideas come when you least expect it, often in moments of quiet contemplation? What do we hear in the quiet? The gentle voice of intuition guiding us toward the right choices, the echo of old wounds that need tending. To cultivate silence in your life, consider these practices. Now we enter the final act of our journey. We've explored the transformative power of stillness, the guidance of our breath, and the wisdom silence imparts. Stillness opens the gate to compassion, allowing us to extend kindness and understanding not only to ourselves but to all beings around us. As you stand in this sacred space, know that you are not alone. Take a moment to walk slowly, feeling the earth beneath your feet, the air on your skin, and the sun's warmth on your face. Thank you for walking with me, not just through these words, but toward yourself. Carry this wisdom close to your heart. Until we meet again, may your path be light and your presence even lighter.